Did you know that a staggering 20% of US gas stations are dishing out fuel so substandard it could silently sabotage your engine, triggering thousands in repairs without you even noticing? These aren't shady backroad spots, they're major chains you pass every day. Stick around because by the end, I'll expose the elite stations that mechanics swear by to keep your car running like new. Avoid these pumps at all costs, starting now. Number 11. Arco. Picture this, you're pulling into Arco drawn by those rock-bottom prices, feeling like you've scored a win. But beneath that bargain lies a dangerous shortcut. Without top-tier certification, their fuel skimps on crucial detergents that fight off grime in your engine's core. Over months of use, this leads to injectors getting jammed, valves coated in sticky residue, and pistons buried under layers of carbon that choke performance. You'll feel it in subtle ways, a jittery idle that rattles your steering wheel, a lag when you hit the gas that makes merging a hassle, or mileage dipping lower than ever. Worse, in quieter spots where tanks don't empty fast, fuel ages poorly, inviting moisture and debris that accelerate wear on sensitive parts. What starts as pocket change saved could balloon into injector overhauls or sensor swaps, costing a fortune. Don't let the low cost lure you in. It's a trap that erodes your ride from the inside out. Yet this is mild compared to what's coming. The next one hides risks that could strand you on the roadside. Number 10. Loves. Imagine cruising into a Love's thinking it's built tough for the long haul, but for everyday cars, it's a mismatch that spells trouble. Their gas prioritizes heavy-duty rigs, often shortchanging the additives needed to shield passenger vehicles from buildup. Fill up routinely, and your engine starts protesting with uneven revs, a stumble during speed-ups, and efficiency that plummets unnoticed. Barely meeting basic regs isn't cutting it for today's precise tech, like turbos or electrics, where even slight deposits trigger expensive fixes. Plus, with focus on truckers, car fuel lingers in tanks, degrading into a brew laced with water or particles that seep into your system, corroding lines and fouling filters. A single visit might pass without issue, but make it a habit and you're courting gradual decay that hits hard in the wallet. Hold tight because the upcoming reveal packs an even bigger punch that'll change how you view those familiar signs. Number 9. Speedway. Sprawling across thousands of spots nationwide, Speedway shines with its polished vibe and convenience. But peel back the surface and you'll find fuel sourced from a patchwork of vendors, creating a lottery for quality every time you nozzle up. No top-tier stamp means detergents fall short, allowing carbon to cake onto valves and throttle bodies, sapping responsiveness and guzzling extra gas. Studies highlight this pattern. Cars dependent on it grow sluggish, with economy tanking as airflow gets restricted. Then there's the nightmare from a few years back. Floods led to water-tainted batches that left vehicles coughing, stalling, or dead in driveways, wreaking havoc on pumps and internals with rust and blockages. It's not hype. Real drivers faced towing fees and part replacements from one tainted load. Trust me, this is tame. The station ahead carries scandals that demand your full attention. Number 8. 7-Eleven. That iconic 7-Eleven glow pulls you in for a quick stop, seeming harmless and handy, yet their fuel game is a wild card, grabbed from the lowest bidder without rhyme or reason, turning each visit into a quality crapshoot. Engines exposed to this variability fight back with shaky starts, power dips under pressure, and knocks signaling impure mixes or hidden contaminants. Regulators have nailed multiple sites for ethanol spikes beyond safe limits, alongside tank gunk that slips through, hammering filters and eroding seals. Lacking top-tier creds, it invites rapid grime accumulation in chambers and lines, setting the stage for breakdowns that eclipse any upfront savings. Real-world shutdowns for tainted product prove it's no isolated risk. Brace yourself, the following entry unveils deceptions that could redefine your refueling routine forever. Before diving deeper into these engine threats, if this is already saving you from a costly mistake, smash that like button, drop a share to warn your friends, and subscribe now. I'll keep delivering insider tips that guard your car and cash. Number 7. Circle K. Those vibrant Circle K beacons dot the landscape, whispering reliability through sheer ubiquity. But reality bites. They snatch fuel from fluctuating cheap sources, ensuring no two fills match in purity. This chaos breeds engine woes like tacky injectors, sooty valves, and sporadic firing that hints at deeper damage. Scope inspections reveal piston tops blackened by inferior cleaning power, far from what superior blends deliver. And the contamination sagas? Recent probes in Texas, Florida, and South Carolina exposed water-laced lots, causing immediate stalls, lawsuits, and hefty penalties. Proof that one wrong pump can corrode essentials and leave you stranded. Short commutes amplify the harm as partial warm-ups let deposits harden unchecked. You're not ready for what's next. This highway staple conceals perils that eclipse even these floods. Number 6. Murphy USA. Tucked beside Walmart giants, Murphy USA tempts with effortless access and unbeatable deals. But that cut-rate focus slashes corners on additives, dooming engines to premature fatigue. Habitual users report erratic idles, gasps during boosts, and injectors failing ahead of schedule, often mistaken for normal aging. Lab checks confirm skimpy detergents and erratic ethanol that foul burns and skew readings. Recall the Texas chaos years ago? Floods hit tanks, crippling dozens of vehicles mid-drive, sparking widespread checks and fuel purges across states. Such events underscore how stagnation breeds rust and clogs that demolish pumps without mercy. Bargain hunting here trades short wins for long losses in power and repairs. Gear up because the coming station peddles premium vibes but delivers filth that outdoes this mess. Number 5. Valero. Valero's sleek setups and widespread reach scream dependability, but inconsistency in top-tier status across sites means some dispense bare-bones fuel that barely scrapes by legally. Long-term exposure builds up grunge on critical spots, yielding lazy responses, fading mileage, and off-kilter drives. Regional samplings expose additive shortfalls that fail to safeguard against modern demands. In remote outposts, prolonged storage invites separation, excess moisture, and ethanol surges that provoke misfires and system strain. Cumulative effects? Skyrocketing bills for cleanouts that negate pump discounts. This revelation pales next to the iconic name ahead, where trust masks a betrayal that'll stun you. Craving ways to slash fuel costs while shielding your engine? Tap the link in the description for exclusive tricks the industry hides. Don't miss out. Number 4. BP. BP's vivid green-yellow emblem evokes security for countless road warriors, yet spotty top-tier adherence leaves detergents lacking, just skirting mandates but starving engines of true defense. Urban hoppers suffer most, with partial heats accelerating valve and injector crust that sparks rough vibes and erratic fires. Analyses pinpoint wobbly ethanol and subpar cleaners that hasten plug degradation and efficiency nosedives. Once hailed as upscale, it now lags, turning routine fills into creeping liabilities. Savings evaporate against future shop visits. If this shakes you, the depths of the next one's flaws will grip you tighter. Number 3. Citgo. Citgo presents a sturdy facade, but it tops charts for fuel gripes coast to coast. Ethanol overloads routinely breach norms, gnawing at seals, lines, and metals with corrosive force. Techs see afflicted rides limping in with lurches, delays, and cold start battles tied to this imbalance. State scans uncover sediment spikes in aging tanks that shred filters and truncate injector spans. Sans top-tier assurance, it fosters piston and valve plaques that erode output stealthily. Spot fills gamble less, but loyalty invites erosion that no flashy exterior offsets. The penultimate shocker, it rivals this in stealthy destruction. Number 2. Sunoco. Sunoco's esteemed aura suggests superior pores, but erratic quality tells another tale. Ethanol fluxes often tip scales, swelling hoses and etching internals at accelerated rates. Shops diagnose chronic users with acceleration hitches, idle turbulence, and halts linked to this imbalance. Investigations flag water and debris in vintage storage, hastening pump demise and filter jams. Not universally top tier, it skimps on scrubbers, permitting deposits that sap vitality over seasons. Daily jaunts compound the toll, amassing expenses in diminished drive and overhauls. The finale, a road icon whose flaws could topple even this heavyweight. Number 1. Pilot Flying J.
Dominating interstates with pristine lots and trucker loyalty, Pilot Flying J seems unbeatable, but for sedans, it's a hazard zone. Diesel dominance lets gasoline stagnate, pooling rust, water, and silt that ravage when dispensed. Victims endure pump erosion, overheating, and fires that puzzle until traced back to the source. Probes reveal detergent deficits well below elite benchmarks, fueling rapid soiling of valves, plugs, and converters. Sulfur traces further poison sensors and cats, inflating replacement tabs. And that fraud bust a decade ago, it exposed corner-cutting ethics that linger. Ditch it for gas. Your engine's longevity depends on it.